Uh, Good afternoon, friends. Sanjeev here to discuss with our preview for Q1 FY14 on capital goods. Capital goods, we believe double-digit growth should be there for most of the companies except BHEL. BHEL revenue are likely to decline by 5%, continuation of the slower order book that we have seen. However, rest all of our companies in our coverage are likely to have a top line growth of around 10 to 12%, except in a case V-Guard, which is on a low base, should be we are expecting around 21% of top line growth. However, though top line growth remains a positive note, order book scenario remains decent, but operating profit are likely to be under pressure. We expect operating profit margin of most of the companies to be under pressure, where CGL, that is Crompton Greaves, and V-Guard are expected to see significant contraction. CGL is likely to see contraction because of the post restructuring process that is undergoing, and V-Guard are likely to have impact because of the inventory as well as higher advertising expenses that also we had seen in the last quarter. However, L&T, KPTL and Thermax are expected to maintain a decent margin of around 9 to 10% like most of its quarters in the previous quarters. Below operating line, we see higher interest cost could tap the net profit growth, especially in case of CG, Crompton Greaves and V-Guard. We expect a significant fall in net profit. BHEL, as I said, because of the lower top line growth, that could percolate into the bottom line and expect 13% decline. However, L&T and Thermax are expected to report 7 to 9% of growth in the bottom line. KPTL is expected to decline by around 8% YOY basis. Looking at the healthy order book scenario, we saw a decent order book momentum that has picked up compared to the last quarter sequence. So hence there is a healthy growth sequentially, but we believe this would not be prudent to decide that this is a trend that is uptrend that is catching up, because we have yet to see momentum across the sectors. At the same time, the current book to bill ratio of our most of the companies, coverage companies, remain at a historical low level. So scenario remain tepid, remain selective. That is what our call is. Thank you.